What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So these are the products that I'm going to be using to braid my boyfriend's hair. So this is the braid gel that I use. This gel works really good. I love this gel so much, and it smells really good. And I get it off of Amazon for like $10 for like a 4 fluid ounce container. But yeah, that's that. And then I'm going to be using this mousse for whenever I'm done. You guys will see the process once we get started. But I get this from Walmart for about $4, $5, maybe $6, maybe, I don't know. But anyways, and then a rat tail comb, of course. And then yeah, I'm just waiting for my boyfriend acting all goofy. But yeah, first I'm going to be brushing out his hair, starting from the bottom, working my way up. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Okay, so now we're just parting his hair, using his nose as a guideline to get it straight in the middle. And then I go in with gel to get it straight. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but I part it first and then I go in with the gel, and you'll see in a second. Like, I run it across the part, and then I go back in with the comb, and I get like the perfect straight part ever. You guys should try it if you guys don't already know this technique. But I actually learned this myself. I don't know if people already do it, but you see how straight that is? Like, y'all should try it. And then doing another part, because he was switching up the hairstyles what he wanted, so he really didn't know what he wanted exactly. We was gonna go with 2 braids, just 2 basic braids, but then he wanted 4. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm going all the way back, and then he switched it up again and wanted it to go like halfway back, and then the back of his head like braided up. You guys will see in a second. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I just put gel on both sides of his hair and put it down or whatever. You guys see what I'm doing. And then I'm just braiding it halfway back. Like, I stopped at like his ears, if that makes sense, but you guys will see. Okay, so now I'm on to his next braid, and I'm going to be doing like the same exact thing on the other side as well. So I'm just going to be doing this side of his head on camera and then the next side off camera, because I don't want this video like too long. if I'm just gonna be like doing the same exact thing. But you guys know, you guys see, so I'm trying to get like as like good angles as I can, but it's kind of hard whenever the tripod ain't like tall enough to like, you know, look on top of his head so you guys can see what I'm doing. But if you guys want like an in-depth like how to braid or whatever, just, you know, comment down below. But yeah. Okay, so he was trying to help me record the other side of his head, but this is the only clip that looked good, and it was me, you know, parting his hair. So I just left it in so you guys can get like a better look of me getting a nice, clean, crisp parts. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna go in and take these braids off that's dangling down and re-braiding them because they kind of look, you know, a little crappy. So I'm just gonna go in with gel and re-braid them. Okay, so this is my favorite part. I go in and I put gel just to get, you know, it laid down so there's like no flyaways and whatever, so it can look like really crisp and just laid down. So I go ahead and put gel all over, as y'all can see, and then I'm gonna go in with my rat tail comb and, you know, just push it down so it just looks really like crisp and clean. Okay, so now that we're done, we're gonna be putting the mousse all on his hair so his hair, you know, can stay in place or whatnot. And it just really works really good with like flyaways and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm just gonna be putting a do-rag on his hair so whenever I blow dry his hair, there's like no flyaways or whatever, and like the hairs won't, you know, move or whatever. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm not no professional or anything like that, so you feel me. So now I'm just gonna be blow drying his hair for about like 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna be taking it off, and then you guys will see the finished product right about now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want any other hair videos or whatever videos y'all want to see, let me know down below and I will do it for you guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.